Hacking is identifying weaknesses in computer systems or networks and exploiting the weaknesses to gain access. Example, finding a loophole and bypassing the login page to gain access to a system. Are you an ethical hacking and cybersecurity enthusiast? Let's get started. Choose a nickname. What motivates you to learn ethical hacking? Okay, continue. How much hacking knowledge do you have? Uh, None. How much time do you wish to invest in learning? Hmm, consistent, syempre. One last thing. 93% of our users appreciate the timely reminders sent to them to keep their learning progress on track. Done. Allow. Okay. Sign in and never lose your progress. Okay, sign in. One tap sign in. Okay. One tap sign in. One tap sign in. Okay. Huwag ka nang magtanong kung paano at know the welcome to the world of ethical hacking. Know the OS. Okay. What will I learn getting started with Kali Linux? Understanding the structure and overview of Kali Linux. Some basic of and network related Kali Linux commands. Writing your first bash script in Kali Linux. Getting you ready with Kali Linux for hacking journey. Who is the target audience? Beginners and industry professionals who wish to get started with ethical hacking. Learners who wish to explore Kali Linux and switch their OS. Benefits: it is free and open source operating systems. Has tons of tools for ethical hacking, penetration testing. Supports multiple languages. You can customize everything in Kali Linux. Ethical hacker average salary is $111,000 per year. Requirements: absolutely nothing. You can just started with Kali Linux. Basic understanding of computers, operating systems, and networking will be an added benefit. Uh, Introduction. May bayad kaya to? So, di pala to libre. Try na natin. In simple words, an operating system is an interface between a computer user and computer hardware. It helps us communicate and work with computers. You probably might have worked with operating systems like Windows or Mac OS. But as a hacker, you might have a bid goodbye to those and get hands with an operating system called Linux. Okay. Linux is one of the most powerful operating systems. As a matter of fact, mobile OS Android is powered by Linux. Linux has various open source distributions such as Ubuntu, Red Hat, Backtrack, Kali. Okay. Kali is an operating designed by hackers, something that you might work with regular in your learning journey. Okay, X natin.